Steve, I figured I'll show you this problem and give you a video because I think that's easier to see. But if you look at this indicator here, that's the roll indicator, VPX-roll. And when I move that all the way from top to bottom, nothing changes. If you look at the VPX configurator, you will see that it moves between 114 and about 225. So now it's all the way up. It's my aileron droop, and now it's all the way down. Well, what happens is you are not reading these numbers here in your message. I read the file that VPX sent me, the development file, and it says that the status message includes configuration also. So I assume in order to display this here correctly, you're gonna have to use these numbers that come across. In this case, it's 114 to 224. It's a very short throw. Let me actually do this for you and show you what happens. This is actually, if I do make this 0, and I make this 255, and then I hit update, you will see that now it shows correctly here. And it moves. See how it's moving? But it's only moving a little short piece. So I am assuming this is a problem in all three indicators. My flaps is 0 to 220, so there's probably something missing at the bottom. My pitch trim is also not the full range of the 255 positions, and all of this is configured here in these settings here. So two choices. Either for these here, you read what VPX sends, or you give me the ability to configure min-max in the settings here, where you also have the neutral point. So I could theoretically go here, and instead of just having a neutral point, in this case it's roll, I have mins and maxes that I then replicate from what's here in the configuration file. Last we talked, you said you didn't like that. I understand. So I leave that to you. I just wanted to show you what happens with these sensors when it does not go by the min-maxes that you put into the VPX. And obviously when you go here and you only move between two smaller numbers than 0 to 255, then these are just not really accurate. Hope that helps. Call me if you have a question.